out Judo Johnny.
Who, me? I'm Judo Johnny. I do cop watch, police accountability.
What else do you want me to do? If you don't want me coughing, then walk away. Maybe
So
I
you
have
can
coronavirus.
so
Find your ID, please.
Okay, everybody, I want you to notice how far away she's standing from me and the fact that she has her back turned to me. Later, she will claim I'm at an unsafe distance just because I don't wave high.
Hi.
So it looks like he stopped her because there was smoke coming out the back. Oh. Turns out he doesn't have a license.
You're a little close, so if you're going to film, I need for you to back away so I said safety. So you need to go over there, please. You can
Over
film
where?
from there. You're too close to us.
I'm more than 10 feet
You're too
away from
close
you
to my
guys.
investigation right now. You need to move over there.
May I get your name and badge number?
Yeah, my name is right here.
Right here? Okay, right here. What's your badge number right here? Distance is at least 10 feet.
That's too close for me, especially since I can't watch you and watch them at the same time. So I'm just going to call a fill unit, so you can stand there if you like. I'll have somebody come and stand with you in just a moment.
You're not going to give me your name and badge number?
I just gave it to you. It's right here.
Right. Okay, officer, right here. What's your badge numbers? Officer, right here.
My business is with him, so I don't understand why I'm giving you my badge number.
Because you confronted me, so
No, I didn't
I'd like to know who I'm
I asked
speaking
you
with.
to move so that I don't have to worry about you standing on my shoulder and watching the car, which is an officer safety problem for me.
Is it not? Is it not your
It's
policy?
not safe for me.
It's not safe. How is it not safe?
Because I can't watch you at the same time.
Why do you need to watch me?
Because you're dangerous to me. I don't know who you are.
Well, I don't know who you are. You don't
Doesn't
identify.
matter. I'm a police officer in the back.
Are you? You don't even give me your name and badge number. You won't identify yourself. This scary ass cop afraid of a camera.
You want me to identify myself while I'm managing an investigation?
You came up and told me something. I'd like to know. Yes, that's what you did. That's what you did. And I asked who you are and your name and badge number.
I told you my name's right here.
Okay, officer, right here. What is your badge number?
I don't have time to talk to you right now.
Well, you did just a second ago.
Yeah, because I thought that you would cooperate.
You're not cooperating.
I'm busy doing something else.
Well, then handle your business.
Well, then you need to move away.
No, I don't. I'm not breaking no law.
Away.
I'm not breaking no
So I'm
law.
going to stand here until my fill unit gets here
Well,
because you don't want to cooperate.
You don't want to cooperate
I
either.
don't have to. My business
Well,
is
then I
here.
don't have to, right? You won't identify yourself, so how do I know?
I'm done.
Okay, then stop talking to me. Do your job. It says A. Moore on his shirt, but it says his name is Officer right here. From Palo Alto. Failure to identify. Against his own policy. Palo Alto police policy is to identify when a citizen asks you for your name and badge number.
When it's safe.
When it's safe, it doesn't.
When it's safe. It's not safe.
How is it not
There's
safe?
nothing in my policy that says I have to address you while I'm doing an investigation.
But you did, right?
There's nothing.
But you addressed me,
I
right?
didn't address you. I asked you to move until I was through.
This guy needs a
I asked you
dictionary.
to move until I was through.
Why are you afraid of a camera?
I'm not afraid of the camera.
His
I
voice,
didn't say anything about put the camera down.
his voice
I
just
said,
went
"Can
up
you set
3
the mic?"
octanes.
I don't mind the camera. I have a camera.
Hear his
I don't mind
voice.
the camera. It's just that I don't want to have to worry about you and them. I didn't ask you to move your camera.
You don't have to worry
I said
about me.
nothing about moving your camera.
If I move, my camera moves.
Yeah, you can film from there, sir.
I can feel. I'm on a public sidewalk. I'm not.
Hey, could you do me a favor? Yes. Just keep an eye on him while I handle this investigation.
Of course.
Please, thanks.
Hi.
Hi there.
May I get your name and badge number, ma'am?
My badge number is 8237.
Thank you. And your name?
Tannic.
Tannic. Thank you.
You're welcome. Stay in your car, please. I can't hear you, but can you stay in your car, please? I'm sorry? Okay, stay in the car for me. My partner will be with you in just a moment. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Gotcha.
Is that you guys two right there? Public safety?
That's one of our emergency operations vehicles.
Wow. That's pretty cool. What's that on top there?
I'm sorry?
What's that on top there?
I don't know. I think it's a satellite dish.
Really, here's my problem. Is there's too much happening here.
Yes.
And I need for him to move away so that I can handle this part of my investigation.
Okay.
Sir, can you
He
move
does
down
not
here?
have any reason to be on top of me while I'm doing my
Sir, can you move down
Exactly.
here, please?
I'm okay right here.
Right now, she doesn't feel safe with you being this close, which is impeding her ability to do her investigation. Could you please move
Her?
down this way?
So
There are
just gonna ask you
5
to
guys.
move
There are
10
4
steps
guys
this way.
with guns,
Okay, you know what? We're just
and a
asking
female
you
with guns,
to be
and they're
to move
afraid of
10
a camera.
steps, which
It's not the
is
camera.
it's not
It's got nothing to do with the camera. I
She
never
doesn't
said anything
know
about
you.
the camera.
You're
It's your
unsearched.
distance,
You can
sir.
keep filming us. That's
Unsearched?
fine.
you
Just want you to move down
can
here.
you can film all you want.
I
All
know.
we're asking is a
As long as I'm on a
compromise from you,
public place,
Yes.
public sidewalk.
But you are too close to my partner. She does not feel safe because she cannot keep her eyes on people in the car and on you at the same time. So all we're doing is for a simple compromise from you, which is
go
to
down this
ask
way.
you to move over this way.
Sir,
10
we're being
steps.
super nice and super polite. Can you just move down this
Not a police officer.
He's a police officer. He doesn't count for a number as a police officer because he's not allowed to be by himself or do anything without me saying.
What's your
he's
name
allowed
and
to do
badge
it.
number?
Officer Cellcode 6647.
Okay, thank you. I'm not breaking any laws. I'm standing on a public sidewalk.
If you impede the sergeant's ability to do her job, then you're breaking
How am
the
I
law.
how am I impeding?
Because she says you're impeding. You'd have
How?
to ask her. When you're done, or she's done with these people, then you can ask her exactly how she was impeding. I just got here. I don't know.
Standing on a public sidewalk.
Okay. Are you going to listen to me or are we going to argue?
I'm listening to
Okay,
you.
so let's move down this way so that way the sergeant who told me that you're
It's not
impeding
an
her ability to do
unreasonable
the job.
request.
This is an unreasonable request. I'm standing on a public sidewalk
Yeah.
recording. There's
Not
no
allowed to
crime.
impede,
I'm
so
not.
impeding
How is that
415.
impeding? How is
Because
I
you're
know
impeding
what,
her ability to do the job.
I know what is impeding is, but you have to
Okay.
state how I'm impeding.
She says that you're impeding.
Being
I told
unsafe.
you that it was difficult for me to focus on them, and they weren't exactly cooperating. And to
So let's
focus on
move
you.
10
I
feet
told
down
you.
this
You
way.
don't need to focus on
So
me.
let's
I'm
move 10 feet down this way.
Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me?
Let's move 10 feet down this way. So that way you're no longer impeding her. Yes.
One
Right here.
not enough.
So then
Apparently not. I got 4
Sir,
cops,
what's your
5
name?
cops.
I'm trying to be super nice here. I don't understand why you're being so difficult. Let's
You
move
guys are
10
the
feet
ones
down
being
this way.
difficult. I'm just standing here on a public sidewalk
So let's move 10 feet down this
doing
way.
nothing. I heard you.
5 feet
I've
down
heard
this
you.
way.
I heard you say that.
Okay. Do you want to do that or no?
No, I don't, because I'm not breaking any laws.
She's Sergeant right here. This is this is our boss.
If we were making
You guys are making me uncomfortable. How about that?
Okay, so let's put it to you this way: if we were making you uncomfortable, and you made a polite request from us, would it not seem unreasonable for us to not accommodate that?
So you guys are
polite,
requesting that I
reasonable
move.
No, I'm
I am
ordering you to
asking
move
you
right
to
now.
move.
You're ordering me?
Yes, I'm
Lawfully
ordering you to
ordering me.
Yes, I'm lawfully ordering because you're impeding
And
her
if I
ability
and
to
if
do her
I
investigation.
don't,
If you don't, then you're in violation of 415 of the penal code.
are you gonna arrest me?
I could place you on arrest, put you in handcuffs, and I could issue a citation, which gives you a court date at a later point in time. Do you want anything further from us? I'm being super nice.
I'm just standing on a sidewalk,
I
a
understand
public
exactly what you're
sidewalk.
doing.
And you're not
I
being
heard
very
you the first
accommodating
5
or
times that you said that.
compromising.
Why should I? Why should I
Because
compromise
a
my
police
rights?
officer has given you a
Why should I
lawful order to
compromise my
move.
rights?
What about
Because you
your
don't feel
rights?
uncomfortable.
I just
You
explained
guys
to you.
are not the feelings police. You guys are police to enforce
police
law.
officer?
And the law is that if we make a request
Are you a police
that
officer?
is lawful and
It's not a law.
reasonable-
This is not a lawful request.
It is a lawful
You guys are trying to prevent me. Why are you coughing in my face?
I had to cough. Sorry.
You can turn your face away and cough.
I covered my mouth.
His mouth. Goodness.
That's not good enough. You should turn your. Look how close you are. You're literally standing near my
Because
feet.
I've asked you to move and I've given you a lawful order and you've refused. What else do you want me to do? If you don't want me coughing, then walk away. Maybe
So
I
you
have
can.
coronavirus.
So you're gonna
Who
tell me
knows?
you're gonna cough in my face if I don't move?
If I need to cough, I'm gonna cough though. I'm not gonna leave and walk 10 feet away to cough. I'm gonna stay where I am.
No
until
one's
I
asking
leave.
you to. I'm asking you not to cough in my face.
Then walk away.
What's the problem with me recording? Standing on a
Nothing.
public
No,
sidewalk.
no
Zero.
problem.
Well, then why are you guys trying to prevent me from doing so?
I'm not. I haven't. I haven't.
You guys
told
are
to
trying to
stop.
make me move away over
Yeah.
there so I can't record.
No, you can record all you want. When have
So
I
I
ever
can't
said stop
see.
recording? You can see. What are you talking about?
You can see perfectly from
Why
right
are you
over
being
here.
so argumentative?
Because I'm not doing anything, and you guys are trying to make me
Okay,
move.
hold on. You are doing something. You're
What?
impeding the sergeant's ability
How?
to do her
How?
investigation.
Please tell me how.
Because
Because
she
you're in
feels
an
unsafe.
Position for her.
What's an unsafe
You can
position?
act-
I'm
when
on a
she's done,
public
you can ask her.
sidewalk.
In your back pocket.
Do you have a gun or knife in your back
I
pocket?
do.
I don't.
But do you? I'm not going to use it against my sergeant. She doesn't know
That's fine.
what you
Oh
do or do
wow!
not have.
Really? I'm standing here with the camera. That's the only problem you guys have.
Nope.
No problem at all.
If you were standing here without a camera,
We keep
would
telling you
still
stuff
have
and you don't listen to us. You don't acknowledge. You don't comprehend exactly what we're saying.
Am I being detained?
No, you are
Well
free
then,
to leave.
okay. Well,
Where do you want to go?
why are you standing in my
Go
path?
around the car that way.
Now wait a second. Do me a favor. Those they don't deserve to have pictures taken of them.
This is a free. I got freedom of press. I can record whoever I want. See, the camera is the problem.
No, it's your position and your attitude that's.
Then why did he just say that? Or she, whatever.
She did.
Why did she
not
just
feel
say that?
safe. She did not feel safe with you there.
It's ridiculous. You guys are ridiculous. You guys all have guns. There's fucking 5 of you guys armed. You got a dog. You guys are afraid of a camera?
Nope.
You guys feel unsafe?
Around you. I don't know what you have in your pockets.
You don't need to know.
Well, then if you're not willing to show us that you don't have a gun or a knife or some other weapon on
I have
your
this
person,
right here.
Sorry, guys. As soon as she's done, she'll get you out of here.
You want to see this?
How about you
I
try the
know.
other one?
I know you don't want to be on camera. He's being very disrespectful of you guys. We've asked him to please stand away. I know. I'm so sorry, guys.
He's so
Apparently
sorry.
he
So
wants to
sorry.
apologize. I'm very sorry. As soon as she's done, she's gonna get you guys out of here so you can leave.
You guys are a pack of
I'll
cowards,
apologize.
man. Palo Alto Police, pack of cowards.
Josh,
Easy to call people names, isn't it?
pleasure to meet you guys as well.
Especially when you guys act
Sometimes
like it.
Yeah, we're all
We've
from the
been
city of
nothing
Palo.
but respectful and polite to you.
Yeah, by violating my rights,
I
by
hope so.
I'm not
telling me I can't stand on a
violating your
public
rights.
sidewalk.
Nope, that's not what
Yeah,
we said.
I know.
We
Sorry,
asked you
guys.
Do you even know what the First Amendment
We
is?
get people who
Can you state the First
Wanna
Amendment?
try
What are our
and-
freedoms under the
Police
First
officer.
Amendment?
We are not here to have a lesson in
I know.
the Constitution.
All of us but him are on the
You
same
swore an
just-
oath to uphold. You swore an oath to
You're right,
uphold
I
the
did.
Constitution, right?
I did.
So what's the First Amendment? What's our five freedoms?
You don't get to ask me these types of questions,
I
and
can
I'm
ask-
not going to give you the dignity of an answer right now.
Dignity of an answer, huh? So you guys want to have a respectful conversation,
No,
but you
I don't
don't.
want to have a conversation with you at all.
Well, then stop talking.
How about if you stop talking?
Oh, she wants. Okay, you can have the last word. There you go.
You can flip me off. You can call me names, but I'm the one that's being rude and inconsiderate. How do you figure that?
Oh, now she wants to ask questions. Now she wants to have a conversation.
No, I don't.
Well, then stop
It was a
talking to me.
rhetorical question. Do you know what rhetorical means?
This bitch want to ask me questions, and she don't even know what the First Amendment is. She don't know what our freedoms are under the First Amendment. Swore an oath to uphold the Constitution.
Yeah, blah, 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 blah,
Yeah.
blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, of course.
See, blah blah blah, huh? The Constitution's blah 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 to you.
No, you were blah, blah, blah.
She's too short to block the camera.
I'm not trying to block the camera. I'm trying to block you.
She thinks I'm talking to her.
No, I know you're.
Well, look at her. She
social
likes to
media
talk,
friends.
though.
'Cause those are probably the
She
only
doesn't want to
ones
talk,
who
but she
have-
likes to talk.
I like to talk to nice people, not assholes.
So you calling me an asshole?
Yes.
We'll file a complaint against you for acting unprofessional.
Oh, go right ahead.
I
Feel
will.
free.
You'll see
My
it.
sergeant's right over there.
No, I'm gonna do it on paper.
You go right ahead.
I will. You'll see it.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull your record too.
Go right ahead.
The window's broken. Did she give you your ticket back here? That way we don't have to deal with this guy.
How many cops does it take to write a citation? Look, she likes to dance.
No, you're stop getting any closer to my sergeant.
Yeah, that's kind of what we're working on right now. I'll have someone else get that. Okay, you drive. Don't fall out. She doesn't want to be on camera, so.
Here's my card and my badge number. You have a good afternoon.
Yeah, don't be afraid of cameras.
Thank you.
I never was,
I
sir.
appreciate your professionalism.
No problem. I was never afraid of your camera.
Why won't you give me your name and badge number?
I told you it was right here.
Why didn't you? Right here is not.
Because
That doesn't say right
I
here.
needed no, and you have to admit, you weren't exactly being nice when you were like, okay, officer, right here. What is that?
Well, I asked you your
not a
name
great
and
way
you
to
said
get
my name is
cooperation.
right here.
Yeah, I pointed to my name.
What
and
if
said
I have
the
a
name is
reading
right here.
disability?
Look, all
Do
I
you
was
say
trying
that-
to get you to do was wait until I was done with this. This is my danger zone. When you come up, you're now my danger zone. But you
Danger.
didn't want to wait. And what you don't understand, these guys are trying to explain to you is, I get to call the shots for my safety. If you had waited, I would have loved to talk to you for as long as you like. But that's primary. They shouldn't have to wait because you want to go first.
And it'll be all on my camera. He removed his mask, coughed on me.
Yeah, I saw that.
So,
I'll do a, we'll do
an exposure report. Yep. And then maybe we can charge him with assault if I actually get something.
Trying to drum up something. Great job, man. Public safety.